Hey, how y'all doing? Should say good morning or good afternoon. It's 12 something now. You gotta love old houses. Man, you gotta love them. Having issues with this drainage. Ain't got that fixed yet. Now I got issues with the light switch. Always something with the old house. Always. Oh, came on for a second. There it goes. Up, off. See if I can do this right here. Turn off this light. See if we're hitting that. It's blinking. Look, here. Oh, I think the switch is going bad. Yep. I'll take this off, see if the wires are loose in it or if the switch itself's going bad. Oh, I think it's a switch that I can push on it. Going off. I don't have one, I don't think. Well, let's take it apart and check that out. And of course, I only got two hands, as you can see. Having to use a phone to do it. Well, let's check her apart and look at her. Well, get the light cover off. Fire turn off. I got another light on behind me. Try to get some light in here. Wire's tight. Right wire's tight. Let's see. Click. Click. Push. Oh, got it for a second. That's an off position. You push it a little bit and the light comes on. Turn it off. Yeah, that switch is bad. You can see if I got another outside. If not, I'm going to have to make a trip to Walmart or Lowe's in a minute. So yeah, this works out for us. I take the screws out and take the two wires off. Like I said, it's an old house. Whew. Fun. Alright, I gotta take the negative and power wires off. The top one undone. Gotta get the bottom here. Alright, that's all the way she goes. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have both hands on this. I don't got nothing to hold the phone with, so let's leave this off and the other one hooked up. Or try her out. Okay, we got the old light switch. You hear it clicking, but it just didn't want to work for some reason. It's short in it. Had another light switch I took out. Had it in the junk box. Reuse if I ever need it. See how it works. Yeah, it's working. Don't click on it. I don't have a good click. It works. We turn it on and turn it off. Let's button this bad boy up and call it a day. Alrighty. Got everything put back together. Screws nice and tight. Oh, that did have a nice little click. Yep, she's working. Click. Click. This one didn't have a click to it. It was in the raw, but got one here. Now the connection inside of it's going bad. Yep, they go in the trash can. Oh yeah. That's nice. I'll pick another one up because I can't remember why I took that one out. I don't know if it was just to put the light switch in over here on the side. I had the fan and heat for the vents in the bathroom or what, but I'll pick up another just to be on the safe side. That's the only one I had. Well, thanks for watching my videos. Remember, most of my videos, 98% of them, 99% of them, I've had fun doing them. If you get a laugh, that's good. If you learn something, that's better. But the most important thing is I'm having fun doing this, and it's passing the time. God bless y'all, and hit the like button and subscribe. See ya.